In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Meet link on your Google Calendar, and we'll be doing it in just 5 minutes or so. Whether you're hosting a virtual work meeting, catching up with friends, or coordinating with team members across different time zones, this simple addition can streamline your scheduling and provide a seamless virtual meeting experience. So let's dive right in. First, make your way to the Google Calendar website. You can access this by typing calendar.google.com into your web browser's search bar. Logging in with your Google account will take you directly to the main calendar interface, where you can view your schedule, see upcoming events, and make changes as needed. Once the page is loaded, look to the top left corner. There's a button there labeled Create. Go ahead and click on that. This button is your starting point for creating a new calendar entry, whether it's a simple reminder or, in our case, a fully fledged event that will include a Google Meet link. After clicking Create, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option marked Event. Clicking Event will open a panel on the right side of your screen, presenting you with various fields to fill in details about your event. Here's where you'll want to name your event. Over in the Event Title field, type in a descriptive name for the meeting or occasion. You can also fill out additional event details under this. Adding context or an agenda here can be really helpful for your guests. For instance, if it's a team meeting, you might add a brief list of topics to be discussed. Next, look for the option to add Google Meet video conferencing. When you see it, click on that, and a Google Meet link will be automatically generated. It's a quick way to ensure all attendees have a virtual meeting room ready at the click of a button. With the Google Meet link now part of your event details, turn your attention to inviting guests. Click on the Add Guests field and enter the email addresses of those you want to invite. Remember, inviting others here means they will receive an email containing the meeting details, including the Google Meet link. Lastly, once you've input all the necessary information, go ahead and click on Save. This action not only stores your event in the calendar, but also triggers email notifications to your invited guests with all the event and meeting details. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Google Calendar event with a Google Meet link. It's a straightforward process, but can significantly enhance how you plan and host virtual gatherings. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching.